Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be unboxing Boxycharm August base box. Okay guys, I think I told you earlier in the month that I was not getting the base box when I got my premium, and I wasn't. I had actually put it in my cart and was trying to apply a pop-up code to get like $6 or $12 back on it. And I had left it there, and then pop-up came and I went to check out my cart and I looked for the subscription. I couldn't find it, and then I noticed when I was paying that I had $10 worth of shipping, and I was like, what the? So then I clicked on it, then I just was already hitting pay, and I was like, whatever, I guess I'll find out, right? So then it told me I signed up for this month's box. Then we thought it was going to Lisa because I got my tracking. I got the email, right? So we had some of Lisa's stuff on it and my stuff, and Lisa uses my account to get into the pop-up. So anyway, she bought some things and they shipped together. It looked like they shipped together, and then when you clicked on my shipping, it said her shipping. So then I was like, huh. And so I was like, Paige, can you write down this number for me? So I rhymed it off to her, and then I looked at it and it said that it was still trying to get into the country. And the next thing you know, it was here. So anyway, there's the long and the short of it. So it is, Boxycharm is US based subscription is $25 a month with $5 to ship to Canada. That makes it $30, which makes it, I think, about $45 Canadian, which is really expensive. Or maybe it's only 35, 38. No, wait, no, it is that much. Ouch. So what is in this box better be worth the conversion and everything. It does usually ship out within 10 days, but please do not buy this during a pop-up because they might ship whenever. I don't know. So I have to wait all day to get to this. I have seen so many variants and so many variants that I would really, really like. So when I did my original choice for it before I canceled it, I did ask for the Too Faced Born This Way cover-up, concealer. So then I bought that just as a backup in case I didn't get my choice, because knowing Boxycharm, this was such a popular item, they would be out of stock. So I don't know if they held on to the choice. I know they said that when you cancel, you release that choice option, but do they still kind of take into consideration if you join up later? We are going to find out. So I've seen so many variants. I am so excited to get this box because I really want the Morphe brushes, even though I really already have them, and I don't know why I need them. And I want the Tresemme 5 thing lipstick, and don't ask me why. I have no idea. And I would like the palette. There's 2 palettes, I think. I don't know. So let's open this and let's see. Did I get anything what I wanted? I don't know. I can't see. Okay. Oh, figures. I got the leftover box. It's a really nice Boxycharm. Yeah, it'll just make my day so much better. So I did get 2 items that I really wanted, but then I just got 2 other things that are kind of crap, so. There was literally like 600 variants and like 500 that I would have been taking happily. And watch this not even be a color I like. Velvet Rosewood. You know, usually I would just go all nuts over this, but I've had a really super crappy ass day today, and I'm not even in the mood to deal with any of this right now. I got so excited to open this box, and of course I didn't even get the box that I wanted. Oh yeah, I put stamps in there. Okay, this was one of the items I did want. The other one I think had this, the Glam Glow, which is valued at $54. I am going to write them and let them know, like, you just shoved crap in my box and you could have done better. Like, I did not get my choice, obviously, and fairly enough, but I see other people that didn't ask for it and they're getting it, so why couldn't you just put it in mine? Okay, so I got Real Hurt Defying Eyebrow Pencil. Didn't they just send me an eyebrow stuff? And like it's not even coming out of the box. Guys. Okay, so there it is there. I think this is in gray. actually in dark brown. Oh, bronzer, because I don't use bronzer. $24 and $16. I'm pretty sure I have bronzers marked down as not at all, so they didn't even take that into account. And then I did get the Violet Voss Essentials too. I'll give that a try maybe sometime later this week, as I have about a dozen other palettes to go through. So that actually is a really pretty color, so at least I'm happy with that. So yeah, so I got 2 things. I didn't get my money's worth, obviously, maybe 3 things. I'll likely use this once and sell it, so I don't even know. Yeah. So that's 30, 40, 50, 66, 66, 70, 120, $156, so that's not bad actually in the realm of things, but I am going to tell them that they can take the 2 items and shove them up their butt, because really there was no need for those 2 things to be added. Just why didn't you just send me the 3 things and say, oops, we ran out of boxes. Oh, there it is. So I'll probably give this a shot. Regular, what is this? Moisture Trip, Omega Rich Moisturizer. Actually, I'm out of the moisturizer at night, so I'll probably use this with the Propylatus, whatever thing I am using right now. Anyway, if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, you can do that now using the links below. I believe I get like 500 charms, and the charm room never updates, so I don't know why I'm asking you to sign up using my link. I will say that Cosbox, I'm kind of excited for that, but I'm in a really bad mood, can you tell? Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and please don't forget to like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.